nothing but the stipules. So here we will see what is the stipules. Now stipules are the lateral appendages of the leaf formed at base. Now here in this picture we can see these are the lateral appendages, and these lateral appendages form at the leaf base. Now this stipule or the lateral appendages present in many dicotyledonous families. These are mostly absent or rare in case of the monocotyledonous families. Leaf with stipule is known as the stipulate leaf, and leaf without stipule is known as exstipulate leaf. This leaf, when we say this leaf has the stipule, this is the stipulate, and if there is not the stipule, this is called as the exstipulate leaves. Now there are the different types of the stipules. These stipules, on the basis of their shape, position, size, color, and there are the different types of the stipules. One of the type of stipule, that is the free lateral stipule. Now what is this free lateral stipule? There are the two free stipules which are small, green, borne on the two sides of the leaf base. Means on the two sides of the leaf base there is a formation of the two lateral stipules on the two sides of the leaf base, and these are free from each other. These are not joined to each other. So that's why this type of stipule is called as free lateral stipule. The best example of free lateral stipule is Hibiscus rosa sinensis, that is in case of the China rose. Here this is the actual picture of this leaf. Here we can see this is the stipule which is formed at the leaf base, and these are two in number which are free from each other. That's why these are called as the free lateral stipule. Another type of stipule is called as adnate stipule. Now these are the two lateral stipules that are growing along with the petiole up to certain height and adhering to it. Means these are not free like the free lateral stipule. These are adhering to it, and because of this making it somewhat wing appearance. There is a formation of the wing like structure. Here this is the actual image of this rose leaf, and this is the adnate stipule that we can see here, and this is the diagrammatic picture of this adnate stipule. Here in this pink color we can see how there is a formation of the adnate stipule. No doubt there are the two lateral stipules, but these stipules are growing along with the petiole at a certain height and adhering to each other. Because of this adhering, this form the wing-like structure. The example of this stipule is a Rosa alba, rose plant. In case of rose plant, this is the most common one. Another one, interpetiolar stipule. There are the two stipules present between the petiole of opposite or alternating with each other. Now here, these petiole which is present in between the petiole is here. These are the two leaves. In between that there is a formation of these stipules. That's why these are called as interpetiolar stipule. This is found in case of Ixora or the Hamelia plant. So this is the diagrammatic picture. Here we can see the presence of this interpetiolar stipule. Another type is the arcuate type of stipule. Stipules are arise from the base of the leaf which encircle the stem from the node up to the certain height of the internode. Now here in this picture we can see this form the tube-like structure, and this encircle the stem, and because of the encircling of the stem this form the tube-like structure, and this tube-like structure arises from the node of the leaf, and this is up to some height, and this is called as the arcuate type of stipule. This is the actual image of this stipule which is occurred in case of this plant Polygonum. The example of this arcuate type of stipule is the Polygonum plant. Another one, that is spiny stipule. Stipules are modified into the spines, such as stipules are spinous stipule. Now these form the spiny structure. Now this spiny structure which are formed here we can see this is the spiny structure. These are called as the spinous stipules. For example, this is found in case of acacia. Another one, that is foliaceous type of stipule. These are the large green and leaf-like stipules which are formed at the leaf base, and these are called as the foliaceous leaf. This is found in case of the sweet pea plants. So these are the different type of stipules. Now this stipule perform the function like protect the young leaves in the bud, and when green they are produce the food material. So this is all about the stipules, which are the lateral appendages of the leaf which is formed at the leaf base, and we have seen the different types of these stipules along with their function.